Erratic rains sink seed company revenue by 8%. Herald Business Seed company experienced a major decline of sales volumes from its main business product, maize seed, which fell by 19%. Zimbabwe Stock Exchange (ZSE) listed seed-producing giant, Seed Company, recorded an 8% decrease in revenue on the backdrop of a 20% drop in sales volumes from 29,502 to 23,663 tons last season as climate change wreaks havoc on primary production. The group experienced a major decline of sales volumes from its main business product, maize seed, which fell by 19% from the previous season's 16,342 tons to 12,519. The demand for seed during the selling season was affected by the adverse rainfall patterns in Zimbabwe and southern Africa in general. Rains delayed setting in until January 2022, affecting seed purchases in the process, said the group's chief executive officer Mr. Morgan Zwier. Despite an increase in total volumes sold for the 2022 financial period, the group experienced an increased market uptake for the wheat seed as local sales grew by 32%. This was inspired by the government's push to insulate the wheat supply subspace from disruptions in global supply chains through an increase of wheat hectareage of up to 75,000 compared to 66,000 in the preceding season. More so, losses were overturned by lower margin legumes growth from 49,375 tons in the previous year to 44,836 tons in the recorded period. The group, however, remains committed to strategic infrastructural developments that curtail the devilish effects of climate change. New maize seed drying facilities at the company's Stapleford facility were successfully commissioned and operationalized to address high incidences of cob rots and slow dry down resulting in huge maize losses, observed Mr. Zwier. Seed Company continues to make investments in the development of new seed varieties meant to address the new industrial challenges bedeviling the farming sector. The seed manufacturing company managed to release 9 maize varieties and a new soya bean variety South Carolina SZ204 that tolerates high plant densities. The seed company also highlighted that their goal was to release at least 5 new maize hybrid varieties each year. The company's environmental, social and governance (ESG) innovations continue to deliver climate-smart crop and high-yielding seed solutions, agronomic support and training for the efficient utilization of arable land, and other farming inputs for the efficient utilization of land, and other farming inputs to sustainably make farming profitable for both small and large-scale farmers. Going forward, prospects for the seed industry are getting better as the pricing system in Zimbabwe is now dual-based with demand for vegetable seeds on the export market looking promising.